Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to turn off double tap to wake up the screen. One of the best feature in Android. And here is my Google Pixel 7a. So my screen is turned off. I'm tapping here, double tap, then screen will be turned on. So just unlock your phone. How to turn off these settings? Okay, just unlock your phone, then swipe up for settings. That means sorry, swipe up for menu, then go to settings application, then select system from the bottom of the page, scroll up, then you can get the system, open system, then open gestures, then you can here tap to check phone. Okay, open that. Currently it is turned on. There is the animation double tap and the screen will be vacant, so you can simply tap on that button. Currently it is turned off, so we are going to check this function is work or not. So currently it's turned off, so that means not work. So I'm locking my phone and I'm tapping my screens. There is no response. Double tap, triple tap, four tap, there is no response. That means it is not working, it is turned off. So whenever you press your power button and it will be wake the screen. But actually it is one of the most beautiful features in mobile phones, that is double tap to wake up screen or turn off screen, and raise to wake up screen. And that's one of the two main features. It is give you power to save the power button usage, because each and every person's like teenagers, at least one day they will be unlock their phones at least 100 to 200 times in a day. So that means 100 times pressing on your power button in a day. So you can simply save that power button clicking by turning on this feature in your phones. But if you don't like, you can simply turn off this feature from the settings, like this tutorial. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.